Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple trick to get a very high score in Block Blast. Follow me and let's get started. Step to perform the trick. Open Block Blast. Launch the Block Blast app and select Classic Mode from the menu. Go to the settings. Tap the gear icon at the top right to access the settings. Tap Replay to get vertical blocks. Keep pressing the replay button until you get a vertical block. Place the block. Place the vertical block in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can place the other blocks wherever you want for now. Get ready for the next round. At the start of the next round, make sure you get another vertical block. Place it strategically, leaving an entire row free on the board. Repeat the process. Avoid filling the last two rows vertically from right to left. The bug will keep giving you vertical blocks. Place them strategically to fill the rows and your score will keep increasing. Keep racking up high scores. Every time you complete a row, place another vertical block and repeat the process. The game will keep giving you vertical blocks, ensuring your score keeps climbing. This bug is a fantastic way to maximize your score in Block Blast. Just make sure to follow the steps carefully and stick to the same pattern. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video.